So guys, I have found a version source. I'm calling it that. This has every version of Animal Company possible in it. And yes, chicken existed. So the myth, did chicken exist? The answer is yes, chicken existed back at this time. Let's go up. Trees are definitely broken up here. What about factory? So guys, factory is when factory was added. So factory is confirmed OG. Oh Jesus. We don't the OG Coke machine you can see right there. Let's go down here. God, I never expected me to be doing this. But guys. OGS, OGS, OGS. Wall running. Let's wall run, guys. It's the only way to get out of this is wall running. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. Let's go higher. So we know we're almost at factory. Oh God. Why the hell are you making me do this, loser games? It's been such a long time. I feel like I'm in Gorilla Tag. This is what we posted on the channel, by the way. Oh God. Oh God. But yeah, guys, this is version 1.5 alpha of Animal Company. It's mainly banned everywhere. God. Wowzers. Okay, guys, that's what the tree looks like, though, and everything. Factory was just 3 steam tubes. Kind of insane, if you ask me. The servers are unfortunately offline. For some reason, the old version wasn't. I'll post a video on the old version, too, so you get to see Slenderman. Let me see if this... Oh, this has collisions. Let's go up it. More climbing, yay. Okay, guys. This, if you can't tell yet, this is where the Haunted Mansion is now. Fortunately, factory, the beta one. No clue how this is in this version. I'm so scared of heights sometimes. Keep climbing, Devin. Keep climbing, keep climbing, keep climbing. You'll be fine. Come on, Devin, you're an unk. You can do this. You've been playing since the game's in frickin' sewers update. You can do this. Don't let me down, muscles. Oh God, that's high. It's not good. 3%. It's not good. Okay. We're almost at the top. How high is this freaking smokestack? Oh, it's only that high. It's not that bad. Oh boy, that's that bad. We're really high up. If you're wondering how high, That's high. Oh my god. I gotta take a breather. Jesus. Anyways, we're this high. I'm gonna get drunk after this. We're this high. That's the map. This is the factory Steam thing. And in the OG map, this is in fact it's still in the game, but this version like 0 point something. We can't go there unfortunately because way too high of a jump, like way too long of a jump. But yeah, guys, this is the factory out of bounds. I'm gonna set this log out. Okay, guys, I'm gonna log out for a little, and afterwards we will be exploring more OG Animal Company versions because my headset's getting critically low. And yeah, but I am DevTheDev76. I'm a modder. Log out. I'm gonna stop recording.